I'm starting to wake up, and first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some light in here. Got my little coffee thing all set up. Coffee shall be made. Boom. So I had my coffee, my kids had breakfast, preparing it for them. My wife is busy downstairs packing everything in the car. Me and the kids are upstairs. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the floor, wash the dishes, and prep everything in the kitchen. So by the time we come back, everything's already done and we're just gonna chill on the way back. I'm also gonna have breakfast, but we get ready to go on the road. On the road, I'm just literally gonna be driving as my kids and wife are chilling. But most definitely, along the way, we stopped for lunch. So for lunch, we had Burger King. Actually, this Burger King was really cool. I like it. It was right next to the highway, and they had benches and everything outside. It was really cool that they had an outside, and it was pretty sunny. So
today we're just gonna breathe in some fresh air. No,
yeah. Oh, we are gonna breathe some fresh air.
Boba closed.
No.
Man, I want coffee.
I want boba. I want smoothie.
Don't worry about it, guys. We're coming back tomorrow.
Tomorrow, I want to see if the boba is good or not.
Yeah, let's go. Build a sandcastle? Sure. When we got to the beach, it was kind of windy, but actually, it wasn't that bad. I really liked the sunset, and it was really beautiful. I mean, the wind was windy, but it actually played out in our favor. I got to take a whole bunch of really cool pictures. My wife took some cool pictures. We checked out the sunset, and it was windy for the beach. I mean, you can fly a kite in most beaches. I didn't have a kite, so I didn't actually go out there to fly one this time. But most definitely, I might come back and do that. But it was really scenic. It was really nice. We sat down for a while. We chilled out. We went out running by the beach. Obviously, whenever you come to the beach, you definitely want to take off your sandals and get grounded. I don't know how true that is, but it feels really good when you've been out for a whole week working and you go to the beach and you just take off your sandals and you just ground yourself out. I don't know why, but I think that's one of those things that I like to do. It's kind of maybe superstitious or whatever, but I definitely like getting grounded out. It feels really good having the sand in between your toes. So it's one of the things that I'm like, oh, snap, I did it. All right, cool. I feel better. It isn't.
Let's go.
Ready? Okay, cool. All right, wait.
Papa, what is that, Julian the Kank Pants? And in today's video, I am at the beach. Yes, the longest beach in the world, Long Beach, Washington. How did I get here? It's my summer break, you know? Time to go enjoy some time at the beach. Woohoo! Bye-bye, beach. Bye, beach. Hello, Long Beach, Washington. What do you have to say about Long Beach?
It's so cool.
It is so cool. Now I'm going to the arcade, so I will see you there.
Whoa, look at the Jaybird. Yeah, look, what? Wait it. Look, Julian's throwing some hoops. Julian, go. Oh, yeah, go. Yo! Again. Go. Go. You got 9 seconds. Yo! Oh! Yeah, I know. There's other games. Oh, you shoot the rockets at that thing. Yeah. Whoa. Aim lower. Like, shoot. Lower, like that. Shoot. Yeah, like. So I like the fact that it had a card. Funland has this card. It's almost like Chuck E. Cheese's or some of the other arcades. You load it up with money, and wherever your kids want to go, you just click on there until you run out of money. And there's a ton of rides that they can ride together, and they can go split screen on each other, and they can duel it out. And I thought it was pretty fun, and the whole thing was fun. Like after the beach, you want to go to the arcade. Most places don't have an arcade. If somebody don't want to play, huh? Ay. This happened last time. Somebody bought all these candies, little. We went out for a small walk around the actual beach town. It's pretty scenic as far as it being a beach town. The shops are like really lit up at night, and if you're like in this small little downtown right next to the beach, there's a bunch of really cool spots you can take pictures that are like really lit up with like a nightlight and the actual bulbs. So it looks cool. But it's time to do our day 2. Morning comes, and we're gonna get some breakfast at Benzo's by the beach. Their pancakes are dope. Highly recommend them. Anything they have on their menu is pretty good. Everything that we ordered was really delicious. And right outside of Benzo's by the beach, there's a giant frying pan. There's these whales, and it's pretty nice. A lot of people take pictures around that. The frying pan is like an iconic thing, I think, because every time that I look up Long Beach, Washington, I always see that giant frying pan. So I kind of enjoy these small getaways with my family, because it's like most times I'm working like all week, and I really don't get like the one-on-one with them, or I don't get to spend like 8 hours just with them. So getting away from everything and just leaving the house and everything forces me to stay with them for 8 hours. Like an 8 hours constant of just me and them talking back and forth. Because I know later on when they're 18 and stuff, it's going to be, they're going to come over and visit, or they're going to be doing their own thing, but they're going to be busy like I'm busy. Like my wife is busy at work, or we're busy with our own problems. But most definitely, I really enjoy these little getaways. I know it's like 2 days, but these 2 days are really awesome. The sun's out. It's just me and them. They still enjoy kind of digging in the beach and doing little things like playing around, like squirting each other with water is like one of those highlights. They're not like teenagers or something yet, where they just don't like doing stuff like that, or they're too embarrassed or something, or they have these, like, I don't know, teenager issues. But you know, they're young enough where they still enjoy like little kid things, which is really kind of cool to see as in a third person, because you wouldn't catch me in the beach at all. I kind of just laid there and passed out in the sun a couple of times, and as they were playing around, and I kind of don't wild out like I used to, but I think it's kind of fun seeing them, like, just enjoy the beach the way I used to enjoy it when I was younger. Cecilia's out here making like some straight art. And my son is making a hole. Yep. Time out. Time out.
This
Little
shrimp.
shrimp. They have like a little.
So we're
see
making
it
a
right
river
there?
for them.
Yeah.
That little tiny shrimp.
We're making a little house for it.
There's like thousands of them in the water.
Yeah,
And
so
he
we're making
just
some.
flew away to one. Oh, there it is.
Papa, where are you?
So there's only like so much beach you can enjoy all day, at least for me. Like I kind of was like ready to pass out again. My wife made a nice little spot where we're laying down, and the kids got dried off, and I dried off again, and we're just kind of chilling without getting wet, just sleeping and talking. And I don't know how you can talk when you go to sleep, but I probably was snoring, and they were just yelling. And but yeah, we wound up going back down to the beach again, and kind of got a little wet, but it wasn't as wet as before.
Can I go take the water there?
Huh?
Can I go feel the water in my feet again?
Yeah, right here. You can feel the water in your feet. Stick it in there.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. We can make our own private little pool here to stick your feet in there. I think my son was on to the right idea. We're about to go and check out from our hotel, but he just took off running, and we started just kind of picking up, and it's time to go again. It's about 2 hours and 15 minutes our drive back, so most of that time I'm pretty sure they're pretty sunburned and kind of tired from running in the sand and running on the actual beach itself. So it's a fun drive all the way back to the house.